Good evening. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Levi Obieze.
Levi Obieze.
Yes.
You are from which state?
From Enugu State.
Where do you reside?
I reside in Benin Republic.
You reside in Benin Republic. What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
You're a businessman.
Yes.
Where are you heading to now?
I don't know where I'm heading to right now because they say before you kill, you allow the person to talk. Do you understand? Because you were an officer. Someone might say you were a killer or you were whoever you know that you are innocent. Whenever you know that you are innocent, even though they take you to hell, you will go there. The God of vengeance will still deliver you from anything.
But you know there's an issue on ground concerning you, huh?
An issue concerning ground concerning me is a political issue, something policies, fabrication against me because I will be next of king. So, and some people in my village don't want me to be that next of king. So they are planting evil against me front and back so that I can fall. That is the major issue. And people, PG of my village come and demolish my house.
Are you a native doctor?
No.
You're not a native doctor.
PG of my village come and demolish my house. So all these things is just to weak me. As I'm talking to you now, I'm homeless.
Who demolished your house?
PG of my village.
What is PG?
President General.
President General?
Yes.
As a king?
No, President General of my community.
Okay.
Yes.
So why did he demolish your house?
Because they are the one that planted something that is disturbing me.
What is that? Something like what?
You know?
They planted something
They
like
planted, let me call it. They planted something, I don't know how to call the guy. They planted someone, he's a young guy. The young guy, there is a way I'm building a new house. And that new house I'm building is far away from my own house where I live. So before I will go there, it's difficult. I don't go there anyhow. So then, because of this kinship issue, that
Wait now. Why do they plant it in your house?
That is what I'm coming.
Is that no? Just tell me that this is the reason. Now you are saying kinship of which
Yes.
meeting? Which meeting?
Let him go. Let him go.
Okay.
Because of this kinship issue, they set me up
That what do you do?
with someone that is working for them. Plant in my
Compound.
well, what they call it, soccer pit.
Okay.
They planted, they keep it there. And I have already answered this matter. Already finished.
Wait. Somebody come and put a body in your
Yes.
sock away.
Yes. See,
That person that is body. Do
they
you know
catch
him?
the guy.
Do you know the person?
I don't know the guy before, but they...
Wait. Do you know the
No, I don't know the report.
So what of the person that come and planted it?
They catch it already. Okay.
Him?
Yes.
Okay. So that was what
That's why I'm free.
they
Yes.
planted for you.
Yes.
Okay. What is your business?
I'm a businessman. I
What
sell
type of business?
okrika
For where?
for me seven.
Okay, and that is where you live?
That is why I live in our Godo Hunt.
In Benin?
Yes.
Do you have passport?
No, I have ID card.
You don't have international passport?
No.
No airport passport?
No, just ID card.
You have another question. You have another question.
You have another. That's all.
Yeah.
Baba, talk through your passport there, your house. You no carry your passport because you escape. If to say you, if you had time to plan your escape, you would have moved with your passport. You know, everything I'm gonna say is allegedly, but these are the information I've gathered so far from the internet. They said that when they arrested one guy, let me show you. Everything I'm going to show you here is already on my Telegram. Those who have been following me on Telegram since yesterday have already got the full gist. Now you know the Telegram. Now you know get gist. A lot of videos have come out explaining a lot of things and exposing. So go to your Telegram now. Search for Dave Partner Media. All right, look at the number of followers. Join the group and you will see videos there about the everything, right? If you can't find this on your Telegram, go to your browser like your Google Chrome or Safari, type t.me/Dave Partner Media, enter, it will bring you here. So let me show you the guy he's talking about. Sorry, it's not all videos I can show on TikTok so that they will not take down the video, but on my Telegram, this particular Facebook user exposed that this pastor also has a shop in Aba or something. So his business is no longer moving well. He went to renew his charm in that native doctor's place. So when he went, they told him to bring a virgin. So they started going into the forest searching for virgin around the place, and they now saw a girl and her father in the farm, and they kidnapped the girl and then drugged the father. So on their way back, the father was screaming, but he was weak due to drugs. But then they ran across a security agent in the town. As they passed, because they were driving bike, they had the girl on bike tied. So when they passed the security agent made the call immediately and raised the alarm. So by the time the security was rallying and looking around, they now heard the girl crying in this native doctor's house. They have already thrown the girl inside the septic tank where they buried other people. They worship the dead. These are necromancers, serial unalivers and necromancers. So they got a pregnant woman, tied her hands behind her, threw her into this pit and started worshipping her. They put her cap, put her everything, and they will come there and be worshipping her till she's dead now, but they are still worshipping her dead body. It's crazy, man. Video is in my Telegram. Allegedly, this man is being accused. I don't want to show his full face. He's being accused. He's a pastor. Note that the wife is there too. So I think this is the man they caught. If you watch that video on my Telegram, that's the one that they tried to rearrange his facial orientation, and they removed some of his clothes. So his wife, people are now sharing video of his wife, even sharing testimonies in church, because they are really church people. And he says he attends let me not call the priest name. There's a popular priest in the southeast. He attends his church. So now this native doctor, when they caught the guy, because it was in this man's house, all right, they now caught this man. This man in the process, according to the story, all right, you know, these stories are coming out in bits, okay, until we get the full story. They say they stabbed one of the security guys and they escaped. So that run he ran now in the southeast, within one day he's already in Lagos trying to cross the border. Within one day. It was at the border, crossing to what do you call it, Benin Republic, that they caught him. As you see him, he said he used to sell clothes. He wasn't rich before. He just showed up in Southeast and started juju and started charging people money for rituals. If you want to do ritual, they charge a lot of money, oh, bro. If you come now and say that you want to do money ritual, they can charge you up to 5 million, 10 million, one person. After charging you, they will cut goat's blood, tie clothes, do this, and tell you that they have done ritual, that you should go, that your business will succeed. What if your business does not succeed? Who are you going to complain to? You're an idiot. Anybody that has done money ritual is an idiot. Now, some of them actually use human blood, because if your business is not succeeding, they will try to tell you that it's because you've not done something extra. They will get to the point that they will exhaust all the extras, like what now put him in trouble. So the guy must have come and said, "Now my business is not going. I've done everything you told me to do. I've killed cow. I've done this." He'll say you have to bring a human head. That's how they end up with all these rituals. So I'm not sure. Like I said, everything is allegedly. They say the guy that was interviewing him, or the guy that exposed him and got him caught, is this customs officer, very young guy, that he promised the customs officer like 10 million naira and an iPhone or whatever promise. I don't know, allegedly. But the guy refused. The young man said, no, it's not about money. You have to answer for your crimes. Then they fine you. You understand? And this is the power of the internet. If it was in the olden days, even if it was 10 years ago, the guy would have escaped. If this customs officer does not have a smartphone, he may not have known the guy, may not have identified him. So people are praising him, like this is the latest Nigerian celebrity now, this young man. And the funny thing is, I don't know his name, immigrations officer. I don't know his name, but kudos. If he's really the one, man, bless up, bro. You know, if we have like 30 of you around Nigerian border will be more secure and the wall Trump building across the Mexican border.